Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of December. And first of all, national news. Maoist blew up railway tracks in Jharkhand's Chaibasa. Elections to 3 Rajya Sabha seats from Delhi, one from Sikkim on January 19. French President Emmanuel Macron to be chief guest at the Republic Day celebrations. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar wrote to Mallikarjun Kharge, said disruptions unfortunate. Congress appealed to President Murmu to speak up against the exploitation of women wrestlers. BJP MP Pratap Simha's statement recorded in Parliament security breach case. Prahlad Joshi. Commercial LPG rate cut by 39.50 rupees per 19 kg cylinder. Air power would continue to play pivotal role, IAF chief. IT department said its searches resulted in seizure of 351 crore rupees of unaccounted cash. International news. Pakistan's top court granted bail to ex-PM Imran Khan in Cypher case. Gaza aid resolution, UN again delayed vote, US backed it, others want stronger text. Israel-Hamas war pushing Gaza towards famine, UN warn. Japan to send Patriot missiles to US which may aid Ukraine. France closed Niger embassy after row with military junta. Now some sports news. Virat Kohli returned home from South Africa, another batter ruled out. Barcelona fell 3-2 to Club America in friendly. PV Sindhu made it into Forbes' list of highest paid women athletes in 2023. Wrestler Bajrang Punia wrote to PM Modi, said he will return Padma Shri in protest over WFI elections. Last 3-4 months were mentally challenging, grateful for maiden ODI century, Sanju Samson said. Business related news. Center released additional tranche of tax devolution dues to states worth almost 73,000 crore. India's forex reserve jumped USD 9.112 billion to USD 6.971 billion. Export of basmati rice could be affected by Red Sea attacks. Over 60 digital rights groups call for withdrawal of telecom bill. Insurance for all, Finance Ministry pushed for health regulator. And that's all in news. Thank you.